day 3 at Sapio camping area in the Gila National Forest in southwestern New Mexico. Today, my goal is to, I plan to stick around camp and clean up. There's cans, bottle caps, toys, and pieces of toys. Just a bunch of garbage around here that I'll clean up. And then later on today, as the sun starts setting, I'll start putting stuff away. Like I'll take down the tarp, I'll take down the shelter, just so it's easier to get out of here in the morning. And that's about it. I may hike around or something. I don't know yet, but I am gonna have my 3rd cup of coffee, and my fire's dying, but I'll stand by that until it does. I drank a 4th coffee. Call the medics. Anyway, so yeah, I had a 4th coffee. The fire is pretty much dead, and I believe my neighbors have moved out of their sight. So I was thinking I better film what I can of this campground. I wasn't planning on it, but I might as well. I think I can get enough sights to make sense in a video. So I am gonna do that. And then come back. Alrighty then. I am done filming the sights of what I could film. And now I'm going to do a drive-through and film that. And then I can turn it into a video. Should be helpful, hopefully. I would imagine. I can't find, there's a few pictures and stuff on the internet, but that's about it. So, I guess it's time to do the drive-through. After I finished up driving through, I stopped here at camp and had a snack, and then noticed that a group had left. So I went and filmed that, and now I'm back again. And I think what I'm gonna do now is start my cleanup. I gotta put my pop-up pit away, and maybe then I can pick up all this trash. By the way, the rest of the campground is over here. It's just really spread out. I'm kind of on a back road. This is the only site in the area. So, just so you know. that turned out to be a great site. I'm glad I kept looking, because I wouldn't have liked any of those other sites. So, anyway, time to get home. It's 9:23. It's going to take 5 hours to get home. I'm sad to be leaving this area, but it's way too cold. Like, why is it so cold? It says 40 degrees now with the sun, but the air is way colder than that. Oh. Alright, well, thanks, site. You did me great. Thanks for watching. Bye.